Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Pioneer DJ. Make a hard reset, press and hold multifunctional button and volume up button at the same time for at least 5 seconds. Oh, and make sure that your headphones is turned on. Cool. Now click on information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device and forget device. Now turn on by press and hold multifunctional button for at least 3 seconds. Here we go. And now click on it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!